do this, go to Setting, Preheat, and set the target temperature to 250 degrees Celsius. When the nozzle is hot, carefully remove the residues with pliers. Take out the nozzle cleaner from the toolkit. Insert it into the nozzle and move it up and down for several times until the nozzle is cleaned up. Before doing this, remember to unload the filament and turn off the 3D printer. First, remove the blue clip on the connector and gently pull out the tube. Next, unplug the flexible flat cable vertically. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws. And then take off the broken nozzle. Next, install the new nozzle. Please ensure the slot is well aligned. Fix the nozzle with the screws. Then, plug the cable back in. Finally, connect the tube to the connector and secure it with a clip. Okay, the replacement is finished.